Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads. First, gather all your tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands before you begin any work. Once stable, remove the wheel to gain clear access to the brake caliper and rotor. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get those old pads out. Carefully unbolt the caliper guide pins, which will allow you to pivot the caliper assembly. Next, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing. A C-clamp works well for this, or a specialized tool if you have one. Once the piston is retracted, you can easily slide the old, worn brake pads out of the caliper bracket. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. Apply a thin, even layer of brake grease to the backing plates of your new pads and any contact points. This helps prevent squealing. Now, carefully slide the new pads into the caliper bracket. Once they are seated correctly, reposition the caliper assembly and securely tighten all the guide pin bolts to the manufacturer's recommended torque. You're almost done. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotor and ensures proper brake function. Also, check your brake fluid reservoir. You might need to top it off slightly. Finally, remember to check the description for links to tools and other great deals, including a fantastic way to keep your car smelling fresh. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.